If you're planning to introduce solids to your child, here are 7 things that you'll have to make a note of. At first, let the baby complete 6 months while you introduce solids. Until then, exclusive breastfeeding or formula milk only. Second thing, ensure the baby is seated at the right position. 90 degrees is mandatory. Assuming that if you put the child on your lap and feed them watery porridges, it will get into your baby's mouth easily, and then stomach is a wrong conception. Third thing, yes, no watery porridges or purees. It needs to be thick enough to sit on your finger. Then no force feeding. Just because you made a bowl full of porridge, you cannot assume one day your child had, the next day also your child would have it. Babies are very moody, cranky sometimes maybe they had more of a breast milk. Next, sit and have food as a family. Let your child watch and learn from you. And do not follow the clock but your child's hunger cues. Sometimes they signal being cranky or just crying. You will have to observe. And at last, offer all varieties of food, color, taste, texture to them so that they do not become any fuzzy eater or picky eater in the future. All the best.